Okay, I'm also building up an appetite with all these exercises, so we want to learn about this week's recipe, and that's what we do every week here on the Dr. Janine Show, is provide a recipe, where we have time at least,
Yes.
for whatever we're talking about. Now, I can't imagine what you've got whipped up or in mind for irritable bowel syndrome. What are we going to be learning about here?
Well, we're going to show you one of my absolute favorite recipes, and this is a Dalgona whipped topping, and it's called the Black Sand Beach, and it is so delicious. When you see this, you are gonna fall in love, but wait until you taste it. I mean, the visual effects of this drink are amazing, and have gone like wildfire on Instagram since we posted it just a couple days ago. But you will also see, and when you taste this, it is so delicious, but it's very calming to the digestive tract, and has the charcoal, which is very trapping to all those bad guys that we talked about in the microbiome in the gut. It helps to trap all of those things that we don't want in the gut, so very soothing to the digestive tract as well.
I love learning about these new and natural recipes. So watch this. Here's a recipe for Dr. Janine's version of the Dalgona whipped topping called the Black Sand Beach.
So this is called our Black Sand Beach Dalgona, and this is our whipped topping. You are going to love it. So first what we're doing is we've mixed up our protein powder with a bit of Blue Magic, and we're gonna get to that in just a second, but let's do our Dalgona topping. So we have some coconut cream in our bowl, as well as our vanilla protein powder. We're gonna mix that in, and some activated charcoal, which is great for the digestive tract. And now we're going to blend this up. So we've mixed our Blue Magic in with some milk. You can use almond milk, any type of milk that you like, and a bit of ice into our glass. And now we'll put our whipped topping on top. So this looks absolutely delicious, and to top it off, what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle a little bit of our black sand. So good.
In the last couple of weeks, and if you watch us on YouTube or on Facebook, and please remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, and click that bell also so you can be reminded of future episodes.